How to share files from Google Drive. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive and log into your account. You will find all your folders in here. Now, beside the folders, on the right side, you'll find three dots. Select three dots of the folder you want to share. After you've clicked on the three dots, you'll find different options. Click on Share in here. Then it will expand and press on Share again. After that, in here in Add People, add the email of the person you want to share this with. Beside email, you'll find option. Click on the arrow and it will expand. You'll find three options. You want to make the person viewer, commenter, or editor. I'm selecting editor. You can add message if you want in the message section and then press on send at the bottom. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to share files from Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.